wanna fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out.
Hey everyone, I'm Clawclip and welcome back to my channel. Hello. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this viral Clawclip hairstyle but on natural hair. As you can see, I have it in right now, so the hairstyle is doable. You guys know I don't like doing anything too complicated, okay? So if I am doing a tutorial, know that it's doable. Alright? But before we get into today's tutorial, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, okay? If it's the first time you're here, or if you've been here before but you just haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, okay? And then after that, you turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads. Alrighty. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get into today's tutorial. Sit back, relax, let me show you how to do this hairstyle. Okay, step number one is that you're gonna section your hair into 3 horizontal sections. So 1 at the bottom, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the front, okay? So now for the difficult part, which is the gelling down of the hair at the front. One thing about me, I don't like using gel, guys. I don't like using gel. It's so hard to get out, and yeah, but I got a new tub of gel for this because I haven't used gel in such a long time. So let's see how this goes. Make your middle part. I should have detangled my hair before this. That would have been so much easier. Okay, we have a partridge. It's not straight, okay? It is not straight, but it's like straight-ish. It is not straight at all, but it's okay. It's alright. Now, let's brush out our hair a little bit. So applying the gel is a little bit easier. Oh, sure. I don't want y'all to think that styling your hair is easy. It's not easy, okay? It's not easy. So yeah. Do I even need gel? I don't think I need gel. Do I need gel? I guess I'll put on a little bit, but I don't think I need it. some gel on there. And then brush it out. Now we're gonna take a bobby pin and just secure the hair in place. Now let's do it to the side. Yeah, boy.
Sorry, what's up?
Now it's cool. I figured it out.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. And we are done. Now we're gonna use our satin scarf to, lay this front piece down. Okay, so let's take this off. It's been like 15-20 minutes. I didn't apply that much gel, so I don't need that much time. Bam! 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 Alright, now let's go on to the rest of the hair. Okay, so we're going to be attaching our extension right now. I'm going to be using this curly extension. First, I'm going to be starting with the section at the bottom. So I take the end and I wrap it around like so to make sure it is secure. And then I go in and do the rest. Day, okay? And then you want to repeat the process in the middle section. Child, I'm exhausted already. Now that it is attached, Now it's time for the claw clip. So you want to take the hair at the bottom, fold it upwards, and the hair at the top as well. I think maybe I need to add more hair on the top, but I think it's okay. If you want like a bigger poof at the top, just add more extensions. So yeah, want to grab them like so. I don't know, I think I need more hair. Okay, no. And then you want to attach the claw clip right in the middle. And yeah.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool.
And we're all done for today. This is how to do the claw clip hairstyle on natural hair with some added extensions. So I'd say adding the extensions is definitely the hardest part about this hairstyle. So it's very doable, okay? Extremely doable. So yeah, that is the end of our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this hairstyle, if you're gonna be trying it, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, okay? But yeah, since it's the end of the video, until the next video, I'm gonna see you when I see you. Peace.